Like I was telling you, this is company Thrive. This is a wireless sprinkler system, and this app is how you turn the sprinklers on and off, schedule valves and different just schedules with the sprinkler system. So I'm going to have you do 5 different tests, and I just want you to walk through with me what you're thinking and just how you would do it. And you can't do anything wrong here. So if it sucks, you can tell me why it sucks, and if it doesn't make sense, let me know. So just be as candid as possible as you do it.
Okay.
So the first thing we have to do, and you go ahead and you'll use the mouse here
Okay.
to go through it. So the app's open here. This is the front page. So what I want you to do first is schedule the front yard zone for Monday at 4.
So, I mean, you got 2 front yards, but I'm thinking clicking on the zone. Front yard. I guess I just do Monday.
Okay, so from there, where would you, so you're thinking of clicking, where are you thinking about clicking?
On Monday.
Monday, okay. And after that, what would you expect to pop up when you click Monday? What would you expect to happen?
The times, and then I'd probably put, 4, maybe go for an hour.
Would you want to be able to type it in, or some sort of a picker, or what are you thinking there?
Um, hmm. Either's fine, but typing, maybe a picker, but I don't know, typing's probably fine.
Okay.
To select 4. But do I have to select valve first?
For this schedule, I mean, why would you think to click valve?
Just because I'm trying to choose Monday, but it just keeps on saying valve A.
Right. Okay, so that's the, yeah, those are the options for the prototype. No problem there. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is to turn on the front yard to test it out.
So, do I click on this one? Is it already on test though?
It is on test. Okay, so is that where you expect it would be? Do you like it there at the bottom, or?
Yeah, I think on the bottom's fine.
Okay, and what do you think specifically about the switch there?
The switch.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I mean, when I scrolled down, it was already on, so I was kind of confused. But if it was off, then yeah, it's fine. I'm just thinking about my own sprinkler. Like, you just flip a switch when you're testing it, and then when you're done, you just flip it back. So, yeah.
Okay. Wait. Okay, let's go ahead. And now what I want you to do is to create a zone.
Okay. There we go.
Okay, so tell me what you're thinking here.
Yeah, create a name, maybe a different color, because I think front yard was the same color. And select the days, so it was like garden, maybe garden green. And the days and submit is what I imagine it would need.
Okay. Good. Anything that you would change or not like about this page?
Besides the E being there, I think it looks fine. Maybe
Okay.
is there going to be a test after I click submit? Just a
That
test
yeah.
of
Would you rather that be on this page or before you submit it? Or,
Oh yeah, I guess you're submitting and then. No, yeah, I would rather have it when it's created. So.
Okay, so the next thing would be to delete a schedule.
Delete a schedule.
Yeah. So you click schedules there at the bottom. Okay.
Maybe I have to go back to zone. I clicked on one. Would I just exit out? Maybe. I want to get rid of a Tuesday. This Tuesday. That's what I'd imagine. It would be nice to be able to see your schedule up front and just be able to right click delete or something.
Okay, so be able to delete from this page.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good feedback. And would you expect it to be just something in the corner, like a little X, or?
Yeah. Maybe an X or long press because these are like apps on your phone, right?
Right.
So yeah, long press and maybe it pulls up like a delete or like kind of like when you're deleting an app off your like iPhone, like you kind of long press and it shakes.
Yeah.
And they click the X.
Okay.
It would be nice too if like say I actually wanted front yard to go longer or shorter, I could just like go on the edge and then like click and like drag it or
Okay.
drag it smaller.
Right.
That would be nice instead of like, oops, what do I do? Instead of like coming here and like, you know.
Right. Okay. All right, so we're almost done with the interview here. The last test that we have is turn on an individual valve.
Maybe I just click here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, just valve A and just test.
Okay. Does all the verbiage make sense? Or
Yeah.
Okay.
Valve.
Anything else you would add?
No, that seems pretty good. I guess the only thing is how this is set up. If I was doing like my front yard and I had 3 sets of sprinklers, does it show like the time each valve's gonna have? Is it gonna divide it like evenly, like so from like 1 a.m. to 12 p.m. like so 11 hours? Is it gonna give each time like what is that like 3.5 hours? Or do you can you control that like one section has like 2 of the hours or you know what I'm saying?
Right. Okay, so you're saying you want it to be a little more explicit.
Yeah. Know where like how much time each valve is gonna actually be
Okay.
like shooting out water.
Okay.
Because that's if I'm imagining that's what a valve is, right? Because I'm just thinking about like the house I rent when I was doing the sprinklers, like there's 3 sections, and I guess it kind of would cycle through it, so each section had a specific time. You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know.
Okay. Right.
Maybe like this has like valve A is like 25%, this is like 15, and this is like 60%.
Right. So I think what we're thinking here is the zone has multiple valves, so you can add a zone or a valve to any of your zones, and then the zone is what's going to control the time limits there.
Oh.
So you would be able to put valve A in backyard if that's where valve A was.
Oh, okay.
So we're thinking there.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else you would add about this, or are you good to go?
Yeah, seems pretty good.